Hello, my name is Ron Seepy, Senior Director of Continuous Improvement here at CIRCOR International. I'm excited to talk to you today about our Operations Excellence Program we call CORS. CORS stands for CIRCOR Operating System. At CIRCOR, we are committed to excellence, to building and delivering the most advanced, smart, reliable flow and motion control solutions for mission-critical applications for our customers around the world. These high-technology systems that we design and build require state-of-the-art manufacturing with the highest standards for quality and product integrity. Our systems need to deliver when called upon by our customers, and you and I both know they deserve the best we can manufacture. And that's what CORS is all about. It's about our operating system, it's about you and me, it's about how we do our job every day. To guarantee that we can perform at the highest levels and deliver perfect quality on time, every time. It's about being sought after by our customers. It's about fulfilling our operations vision and how we make the difference. I'm sure that you'll agree that being the best is what we're all about, and that customer satisfaction starts right here and now with you and me.
COS is comprised of 10 key qualitative business process attributes, and our operations together drive implementation of these attributes through progressive step-by-step criteria levels of maturity. Best practices are leveraged and shared across all operations to accelerate learning. COS has already transformed CIRCOR operations and is in the process of revolutionizing our work and the quality of products we provide our customers. CIRCOR's Stuttgart, Germany facility was the first CIRCOR site to achieve COS Bronze certification by sustaining 6 months of bronze level performance on all 8 COS quantitative performance metrics. Stuttgart not only embraced COS within their manufacturing operations, but began driving COS through the business into all functions, where they have demonstrated sustainable gains as a collective organization to achieve this milestone. Utilizing the CIRCOR operating system, or COS, we are building a results-driven leadership and continuous improvement culture of excellence, standardizing the way we do business across sites through the use of lean principles, quality clinics, and process control, eliminating waste across CIRCOR, driving enterprise business process integration within support functions, developing a revolutionized culture focused on continuous improvement.
By implementing the CIRCOR operating system, what we were able to achieve is a set of tools that everybody understands and uses the same way. We speak the same language. We measure ourselves the same way, and there's monthly meetings that are held with all the sites so that we go over each site's key process indicators. And it's been a huge influence in the way that we do business.
With daily and weekly Gamba walks, management can visibly see how ahead or behind schedule the lines are, as well as any quality issues and supplier-related problems.
So the Team Improvement Board captures daily turnbacks. Those are trended on a histogram chart, and at the end of each month, the histogram is reviewed by the MEs, and selection processes occurs to see what problems have been the most severe and the ones that we want to address.
Management tier review meetings are standardized daily stand-up meetings with cross-functional representation that allows graduated escalation of issues emanating from the team improvement boards and that are impacting the business goals. This communication process for elevating problems to management significantly increases response time to factory issues.
We use the communication boards here. We call it the voice of the operator, is the way that I deploy it here. It's their opportunity to tell us what's causing them the biggest problems and the biggest headaches, and with an understanding that we have to prioritize too, because not everything can be fixed at the same time. And that's a good understanding between the operators and leadership.
COS standard processes and methods across CIRCOR sites enhance sharing the best practices and lessons learned, and allow for easier and more efficient transitioning of work and resources between sites. Consistency of quality clinics across CIRCOR sites has created a problem-solving culture focused on using a common method for driving root cause analysis of problems to improve business performance.
We have a center of excellence where we can bring all our failure modes and come out with solutions for the seller. And not only the seller production is for all processes under the scope of the quality system. Warehousing, income inspection, internal audits, everything goes through the quality clinic and the 10-step problem solving, and it's improved by its method.
The 10-step problem-solving methodology, which uses cross-functional team involvement, is the standard work for solving problems within CIRCOR.
The key here is that we connect the process activity to the activity of solving problems. It's about quick resolution, it's about getting resource quickly to the problem, to not only deal with the problem and continue to support our customer, but also to understand the root cause and create those corrective and preventative actions so that we don't have recurrence of those issues again.
All this has been vital in facilitating the flow through the quality clinic, and also it gives a wonderful picture when people walk in not knowing anything about the clinic. Within a few minutes they can understand the flow, they can understand what stage it's in, how long it's been in there.
When you address a problem and you eliminate that problem from happening, then by default your on-time delivery to your customers automatically is going to go up because you don't have additional delays. You don't have additional delays if it's an internal nonconformance where you have to rework it, or if it's a nonconformance associated with our supplier, you don't have the delays associated with having to purchase new material and the delays in getting that in. So the bottom line is that when something goes through the quality clinic, and you follow the processes that are associated with the clinic, you're going to have a direct positive impact on your customer.
Standardized cost performance dashboards have been deployed company-wide, tracking key operational metrics. Operation Welcome Centers at each company site display these cost dashboard metrics along with key safety communications, our CIRCOR values, and any employee recognition for COAST-trained masters and practitioners. Sites are regularly assessed against the COAST Capability Maturity Model criteria for all 10 business process qualitative attributes. This independent assessment process not only ensures calibration between CIRCOR sites on their implementation of the COAST criteria, but also allows the sharing of best practices. Environmental health and safety standards are a critical part of the COAST program. Proactive observations is a process that encourages our employees to identify any potential safety risks and document them on a card to be addressed by management. Employees are expected to identify a certain number of proactive safety observations that is specific to each site. The proactive observation process is a standard across all CIRCOR sites and is transforming our safety culture. We all play a big role in maintaining a safe and responsible workplace. There are 8 types of deadly waste. Eliminating these in our processes is imperative to delivering quality products in a timely manner. A big part of this is creating one-piece flow, where waiting, transporting product, and storing inventory are reduced to create a steady workflow for all. Material is pulled when needed, which signals replenishment. CIRCOR sites continue to transform work cells to lean model cells using the COAST 37 principles of lean. When designing a COAST lean model cell, creating a visual workplace is imperative to make it easy for anyone to understand how product flows. What is the daily demand? To identify excess work in process through the use of supermarkets. Recognize incoming and outgoing cell racks, and to easily understand the status of any problems on the production line. A visual workplace ensures critical information is at the point of use, clearly visible, and readily understood.
COS has given us the opportunity to really implement visual management in the plant. So the idea is that wherever you stand on the floor shop, you're able to tell how are we performing.
COAST has a visual standard guideline that is followed by all CIRCOR sites and that defines key visual factory elements such as standardized floor markings and work cell signage. In order to ensure customer satisfaction, we need to reduce and control our variation. Process control helps us target areas of variation and defects to maximize replication of a quality product. Making sure our processes fall within a capable range means a great deal to our end user down the line. When variation issues do arise, our quality clinics, or problem-solving centers of excellence, determine the containment actions, perform root cause analysis, and implement mistake-proof solutions to prevent recurrence. Our business functions working together is an important aspect to the COAST program. Enterprise Business Process Management is a disciplined approach to identifying, prioritizing, and improving the maturity level of our business processes. CIRCOR functions have begun to drive COAST elements within their business process in support of our operations. Our goal is to have robust integrated business processes with all CIRCOR functions that support and enable our operations to achieve silver and gold performance levels. Leadership throughout all levels of the organization plays a critical role in building an engaged and empowered world-class problem-solving culture. Top site management sets the expectation level. Management at all levels must be committed. Gemba walks, team improvement boards, and tier review meetings enable our employees to see, hear, and feel leadership's involvement, which in turn builds their trust and commitment to the business. And that's all there is to it. If we continually practice and develop the maturity of these 10 COAST business process attributes together, we'll reach the top. We'll achieve and sustain peak performance in our journey to excellence.
As you can see, our team is excited about the future of our operations here at CIRCOR and how the 10 COAST key business attributes will transform and improve everything we do. Our customers depend on our products each and every day. Here at CIRCOR, we owe it to them to be the best we can be. Thank you all for your hard work and unwavering dedication to our customers. Here's to finding new and better ways to serve them together on our journey to excellence. Right, team?